It takes 12 hours. So this is now the time period. It takes 12 hours to develop. Initially, for 2 to 3 hours, there is no rigor. But when it starts, it takes 12 hours to develop on. And then it persists for 12 hours. It takes 12 hours to develop on. It stays for 12 hours, and in the next 12 hours, it will pass off in the same order as it has appeared from cranium quarter. And if you want to examine that the body is in full rigor, you simply move the big toe. पाँव के अंगूठे को मूव करें. If it is in full rigor, that means the rigor has developed on. तो आप चेंज दे सकते हैं टाइम फ्रेम from 12 to 36 hours. पास ऑफ नहीं हुआ. So this is how we estimate the time since that. Then after 36 hours, it passes off into next stage, which is the secondary relaxation because of the putrefaction, because of the disintegration of the proteins. So when fully developed, the joints, they are fixed. A little flexion, but fixed. And a stage of flexion or extension, it depends upon the condition or the state in which position the body or the trunk it is lying. If it is supine, there will be a little flexion. The elbows and the knees, they will be showing a little flexion. So, and this flexion is due to a little shortening, which is not measurable, but a little shortening will be causing the flexion. This small flexion is because of the shortening. But here it is marked because the body was in supine and the limbs were already flexed and it remained in that position.